welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, this is a 2-in-1 wig. Okay, you can straighten this wig. Yes, I said it. It came fully curled. Okay, it's a curly wig, but you can actually straighten it to get this amazing bob. All right, I am so obsessed with it, and I showed you everything. Okay, so you don't have to worry. A 2-in-1 wig, you have to get it. So check the description box down below and get yourself this wig. Okay, and save yourself some coins.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips you touch.
So I want to show you what is inside and what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is how it comes. It is nicely wrapped with the purple bow, okay, and it's written Luvme Hair. And let me show you guys all the nice goodies that they sent me. So they were kind enough to send me 2 wig caps, a wig storage bag, and of course this wig band. Now straight out of the box, straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. It is a water wave wig with brown highlights, okay, and look how nicely the curls are defined. And by the way, this wig is a 2-in-1 wig, so you can straighten it. I'll show you. I will show you. You can straighten it and have a nice bob, and then later on define the curls. Yeah, ne? Luvme Hair quality, 10 out of 10. So this is how the wig is looking. It is absolutely stunning. I love everything about this wig. So it is a 5x5 lace closure wig. As you can see, it is everything pre-bleached, pre-plucked. They even hot combed the side for you. So it has 2 combs on the side and 1 right here at the back. It also has this nice adjustable band with a silicone finish right here, and it also has these 2 adjustable belts. So definitely this wig is not going anywhere. Straight out of the box, nothing was done to this wig. It is nice and soft. The curls are nicely defined, and I am obsessed. I am obsessed with this. The wig is nice and stuck. You can shake your head, you can run. It's not gonna go anywhere, okay? I am obsessed. So let's just this wig can be bigger, right? If you want, if you like big hair. Ah, this is stunning. This is beautiful, guys. Do you see what I'm seeing though? Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna separate the curls. Dimhle, I am beautiful. This water wave wig is perfect for beginners, and one of my favorite things about it is that it saves you money because you're essentially getting 2 looks in one. It is versatile, beginner friendly, and absolutely gorgeous. I straightened it for a completely different look, and honestly it looks like 2 completely different wigs. This is amazing, I'm telling you. Now to redefine the curls, I used mousse, and look at how beautifully they bounced back. Versatile, beginner friendly, and absolutely gorgeous.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. 'cause I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye.